Hello friend, welcome to Drona's Family Fun.
So today we will take you to the tour of our fridge. So as you know that we stay in Singapore, so there are much similarities in Singapore and India. There are so many things that we get in Singapore that we also get in India, but things are named differently. You will see. Sometimes you'll laugh also on those things, okay? There are similar things, but we have to go to the store and search it in a different name. And let us take a look what is there in my fridge today. But before that, please subscribe to our channel and like it if you like our contents really. Your subscription means a lot. It inspires us to do a lot more. Okay, so let's go to our fridge. So yesterday we went to the store to buy a few vegetables. As you know, it is like now we are locked at home, we are quarantined. So means all of the people in Singapore is staying back home so that it is safer outside. So yesterday we were not left with any veggies and anything, so we decided to go to the nearby store. So here we get to buy everything in fair price. So we went to fair price yesterday and bought this veggie. If you can see this is Suraj Raja as written here, Malabar spinach. Actually I am Bengali, so in Bengali we call it pui shak. I don't know what it is called in Hindi, but we call it pui shak. This is a green leafy vegetable. So today I will cook this. So it is like washed and completely washed and packed in this plastic. So you can only identify it with the texture, with the structure, if you know this, that how it looks. But you will not identify it with the name because the names are so different. Okay, so this is one thing. Now we will move to the next thing. So yesterday we also bought this fish. This one looks like hilsa, which we call ilish in Bengali, which is like the king of the fish for Bengali people. You know how much we are in love with our fish. So I have found it here as well. It is just similar taste to hilsa, but little bit different. But it is here in Singapore it is called milk fish. I don't know how many people are aware of this, that it is just like 1% different from hilsa, but it tastes really good. You can just prepare all the dishes that you do with hilsa. You can do it with this one as well. Now we will move to our. So this is my freezer, guys. You can see I have a box of ice cream which is almost finished. This is King's Grand Vanilla. It is really nice. We had two boxes actually. I have finished one, means all of us, and this is the second one. And here goes the pizza, the frozen pizza, which we showed you few days back. We showed you the unboxing of this pizza. And here we always keep these two things handy. This one is spinach, this one is green peas. So this is frozen. Even back in India we had this at our fridge every time. So this is one, we always keep this handy. My husband, he loves to put green peas in everything he's cooking. My fridge started noise, so I'll open this again. And this is sweet corn kernels. So these two things, as I told you, we always keep this handy in our fridge, be it in India or Singapore. So this is the second or third thing I'm showing you. And as we are unable to go out regularly these days, so we have bought this frozen chicken. This is Danish chicken, as you can see. Danpo, it is written, the brand here. And these are all leg pieces. So it's a 2 kilo packet, so that we don't have to go out often and we can just have it here at home. And you might be wondering what is there inside this box. So this one is jaggery, which I bought from India. So my daughter, she loves it. So I have kept it for her. Now this section of my fridge. Not many things do we have. We have one Amul clarified butter or pure ghee. Then we have bread, some fruits out there. And I have this yogurt. This one is natural yogurt from Farm Fresh. We have some milk, eggs and fruits and all these things. Okay, so that's all. that's all we have. And another thing, I keep all my masalas, open packs of masalas, in my fridge. So the last thing which my daughter told me to show you is her favorite Yakult. I hope you get this in India as well. So this is her favorite. She needs at least one bottle of it every day. Each morning she needs one. I don't know, she loves the flavor of this thing. So that's all for today, and if you would like to see some more videos of us, please write back to us and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Okay, so bye bye for today. See you next time.